This is an elevator at the Rockaway Mall. It's the Scenic one. Pause if you want to read those. This used to be a Montgomery that got modernized by Kone. Here it comes. Yes, they did keep the original pump. Nobody's on it for safe operation. Those are burned out. LL. Door closes instantly. Let's watch out this side. Let's watch out this side.
Okay.
There is Lipman Jewelers. UL. That one works. Oop, going up. Door closed but works. Now watch through the doors and listen to this motor. Nice motor. And as always, for safe operation, please hand clear the doors. AA compliant phone. Capacity. We'll watch it go down. Let's set this one down. We're gonna set it down and watch through the doors. There it goes. Pretty slow.
Come on.